Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a quick tutorial on how to make my Big Mac sauce. Now this is not McDonald's recipe. I have no idea what their recipe is. This is my version of Big Mac sauce that you guys probably all know and love from the famous McDonald's sandwich. Super easy. I hope you guys like it. If you do, definitely give me a thumbs up. I know that a lot of people on Instagram gave me the idea to come and post here because they've been loving my recipes. So if you aren't following me on Instagram, definitely follow me right here. But let's get on into the video on how to make your own homemade Big Mac sauce. All right guys, you know what time it is. Let's cue the voiceover voice. So let's get started and make this Big Mac sauce. It is delicious and the recipe is going to be linked down in the description box. You're going to start off with some mayonnaise, some yellow mustard, and some apple cider vinegar. You're also going to need some relish. I love dill pickle relish, and this is where you can go as low carb as possible. Just check your jar, make sure you're using a low carb relish. Then you're going to need onion powder, garlic powder, and to give it that signature color, we're going to use some paprika. And then you're also going to need some salt and some pepper just to your taste. All right, let's get this going. Let's mix it all together. Alright, that is it. That is the whole recipe. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Definitely like this video and subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you guys as a subscriber. And don't forget, this just needs to be popped into the fridge so all the flavors can marry. But eat this as soon as possible. You guys are going to love it. All that being said, have an awesome day and I'll see you guys really soon with a new video. Bye everybody.